All of a sudden you
Well, kinda. But I actually tripped over the side nearly. Oh crap, this is actually creepy. Yeah. Alright. So I better hope that I do not let this fall.
5 feet deep, getting deeper.
Yeah. Just though, I could just jump in there, yeah. But right as we get past these, one stuff over here, I'm screwed. I said, right as we get past these wooden planks, I'm probably gonna get screwed if I drop it.
Once you drop it, it's gonna be no good anyway.
I know. Yeah. This is a pretty cool thing. The Riverwalk in Bay City, Michigan. This is pretty cool. Lean over the edge once again. Take a look.
Shove.
If you would have shoved me, I would have killed you. Actually, I would have held on to this, and I was like, I would have fell right on that. I would have climbed back up. I was like, you butt cheek. You better not. Alright. Thank God this is cement, or else we'd probably collapse by now. Alright. I'm just gonna leave this until we have the full. How far do you think this is actually? Oh God, air bubbles down there. Whoa. Oh, you see them? I can see air bubbles. Oh.
Oh, this is shot.
Air bubbles are coming up.
Yeah, it's in the wall.
Look and see if there's anything weird. It looks like there's a crocodile out there. Here, I'll show you. It's way up there. I'll point my camera at it. This is on my phone, so it's not as easy as you guys think. Alright. So I am just going to walk. What the heck are they saying? Alright, you see what I'm talking about? That looks like a crocodile over there. Yep, and we are nearly at the end here, folks. Bay City, Michigan Riverwalk. Yeah. Well, I'm sure it's Bay City. Right?
Yeah, the Bay City, Michigan.
Alright.
Nice green water.
Alright, do not push me, whatever. Oh my God! That looks like buns. That looks like a crocodile's buns are sticking out. Doesn't it?
Let's go back. Come on. Just want to right up.
Yeah, we are. Once it hits the 5-minute mark, we are going back.
How much is that? 1 second.
30? Do not tickle me. If you do, I'm going to throw you in there.
And then you play football.
Exactly. You'd probably get eaten by them buns right there. You can see what I'm talking about. That looks like buns. Robert, there's a latch right there that you can pull that can make you fall. You can see me in the reflection. Yep. Alright. We're wrapping it up and hope you liked it.